Hi, Prabhu here. Welcome to Part 5. So in this tutorial you will learn how to model this powdered cap. In this video you will learn how to make flipped mesh and bridge them together with perfect edge loop and mesh flows, and we learn how to use soft selection for bulge this top part. Okay, so before you learn part 5 you need to learn part 4. The link in the description box. Please go over there, study part 4 and then come here. So before we get started, you need reference file for this project. The link in the description box, so please download that. After you download, you got this. So in this tutorial we model this powder cap. So in this we need to maintain at least 1, 2 and 3 loops and 2 holes. So here we see the 2 meshes are flip them together. So let's get started. So go to Maya, so and go to create panel and polygon primitives tab. So and disable the interactive creation. So that means when I click on polyplane, so it will automatically created in center of grid. Press 5 to see the shaded mode. So please make sure keep x-axis in this direction. So that means you will follow what I do. So x-axis in this direction, z-axis in this direction. Okay, so I want to scale like this. So you not need this much of divisions. So you just add subdivision width to 2, so and subdivision height to 2. So move this in this side. So I want to scale like this in X. So go to vertex mode. So select this vertex and rotate like this in E. Press E and rotate in Y axis. So and move like this. So you want to scale this area. Press R and scale in X. You want to rotate it in this side. So in Y. So like this. So and move little bit forward. So see here we have that shape like this. So you want to scale little bit like this. So insert, go to edit mesh and choose insert edge loop tool. So insert edge loop in mid of the area. So I will move little bit backwards. So you need same thing in bottom side. So go to insert edge loop. So and click here and move little bit backwards. So go to vertex mode. So select this vertex and move this one. So like this. So see here it is little bit roundness. So go to edit mesh and choose insert edge loop. So edge loop here. So here. So here and then here. So that means you got 4 edge loops. So go to edit mesh and choose interactive split tool. So if you are using a latest version, please choose multi-cut tool. So click and drag all the way that side. So and click and drag to this side. Right click to stop the tool. So you want to do all 4 sides. So right click. So you want to make here also. Click and drag, right click. So same thing here. Click and drag and right click. So go to edge mode. So select this edge, shift select this edge. Select this edge, shift select this edge. So go to edit mesh and choose delete edge by vertex. So same thing here, select this edge, shift select this edge, shift select this edge and shift select this edge, go to edit mesh and choose delete edge by vertex. So that means you got the when I double click on this edge, the edge will be looped like this. So you want to make this edge little bit roundness, so select this vertex. See here, I want another loop, so go to edit mesh and choose insert edge loop. So choose here, so you want to same thing here, so insert edge loop. So I select these vertex, so I will move little bit backwards. So same thing here, so you want to do here also. So select this vertex and move little bit like this. So same thing here. So that means you got that rounded edge. So I want to move little bit further, so because the shape is so taper. So see here, we got so much close edges. So here you want to insert another edge loop, so go to edit mesh and choose insert edge loop. So here, here and here. So go to vertex mode, so select this vertex, move little bit backward. So same thing here, select this vertex, move little bit backward. So same thing here, select this vertex and move little bit backward. So like this. So select this vertex, move little bit backward. So that means you got like this. So you want to rotate like little bit like this. So I select this vertex, so press R to scale in this direction. So select the vertex, go to move tool settings, scale tool settings, and using world axis, so I scale in Z. So that means you got like this. See here, it's so bent, so I want to adjust the mid vertex little bit further in X. So I want to same thing here, so same thing here, so same thing here. So that means you got that rounded shape in this edges. So you want to make duplicate on this side, so I will move little bit further in X. So go to go to Windows and Outliner, so press the polyplane one and press Ctrl D. So that means you got the duplicate. Move in this side, so you want to scale in X. See here, it's in X axis, so I want to see here, I got X. So press minus key, so before that value, and press enter. So that means it will flip this side. So I want to flip in Z also. So you want to press minus and press enter before the Z value. So that means the mesh will be flipped over. So I will move little bit forward, so like this. So that means you got this curve S shape here, so it's mentioned like this. See here, I want to move this little bit in this direction like this. So you want to do same thing here also, press E and move little bit like this. So you want to adjust this vertex, so you want to just follow the reference image. So same thing here, so I want to adjust this vertex, rotate in Y. So I move little bit forward. So I want to do this edges also. So press E and rotate in Y. So I will little bit move in X. like this. So that means you got that this page like this. So go to object mode. So now so you want to check the mesh is correct or not. So go to lighting and disable the two-side lighting. So see here, it will correct. Sometimes it will happen like this. See, when I go to normals, I will change as reverse. So that means the light is reverse. So sometimes it will happen like this. So that means you want to flip the normals. So select this one and go to normals and choose reverse. So you want to see the mesh both sides are same. So here the both sides are same as black. So that means the light is in top side. Okay. So now you want to combine both objects. So go to select both objects, go to mesh and choose combine. So it will combine. Okay. So see here, you want to bridge the even edges. So I select this edge 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 edges. So you want to do here also 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 edges. So same 8 edges here and same 8 edges here. So go to edit mesh and choose bridge option box. So and choose division to 1 and linear path and bridge that. So see, it will bridge automatically. So I want to keep this edge in center of the grid. So go to vertex mode. So select all the vertex and press R in to scale in X. So it will automatically straighten out. So press W and move this to center area. See here, see this distance and this distance. So this distance is so high. So I select this vertex. So I will move little bit. So you want to maintain even distance. Okay. See here, here we got small distance. So here also we got small distance. So go to object mode and then so select, go to object mode, go to mesh, edit mesh and choose up and polygon tool. So click here and then click here and press enter. So see here, here we got some edge mesh. So I will undo that. So select this edge and shift select this edge. So and go to edit mesh and choose extrude. So and press W and extrude in Z. So move in Z. So you want to merge these two vertex. So select both vertex and go to edit mesh and choose merge. So here I want to snap it to this vertex. So go to edit mesh and choose merge vertex tool. So click here and drag here. So that means the vertex will merge like this. So you want to do same thing on top. So select this edge, shift select this edge, go to edit mesh and choose extrude, press W and move in Z. So go to edit mesh and choose merge vertex tool. So select this vertex and move it to this vertex. Select this vertex, move it to this vertex. So you want to double click on the outer edges. So and go to edit mesh and choose extrude. So press R in keyboard and scale in middle. So don't scale this way. So you want to scale in middle. So, okay. So you want to adjust this in even distance. So I will move little bit further. So I will move this one little bit further. So same thing here. So I want to move little bit further. So like this. So see here also. So you want to do same thing here. So move little bit forward like this. So you want to adjust little bit further. So because I want to snap it to the poly pipe, so you just manipulate it manually. So like this. So that's it. So then go to Polygon option and choose poly pipe. So before that you want to count the edges. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 edges. So that means you need, so go to and choose poly pipe. You make sure you want to keep poly pipe subdivision as 28. Okay, so I will scale little bit wider. So I want to reduce the thickness little bit. So like this. So that's it. So I want to scale the radius little bit. So see the reference image. So it will show closer. So I will keep like this. So I want to 0.5 or 0.7, sorry, 0.7. So and reduce the thickness little bit, 0.1. okay, so like this. So I want to scale little bit higher, so 0.8. okay, so you didn't want the bottom faces, so go to face mode. I select the bottom face and delete it. So and go to object mode. So I want to see the, so see here the pivot is in center of grid. I want to place the pivot to the center of the object. So go to object mode, go to modify and choose center pivot. So it will automatically move the top of the object. So I want to snap it to the center of grid. So hold X in keyboard and hold middle mouse button. So that means you will drag to any of the grid points. So I want it to center, so I will keep here. So go to shading and choose wireframe on shader. That means you saw the wireframes. See here, I want to bridge the both meshes. So select this one, shift select this one. So and go to mesh and choose combine. So I double click on this edge, shift double click on this edge and go to edit mesh and choose bridge options. So and divisions to 2. So and choose bridge. So see here, sometimes it will flip like this, so don't bother about that. So go to bridge offset. So I will adjust little bit. See it will clear in some offset, so you will adjust this. So that means I got some something like this. So you want to insert edge loop here, so to maintain the even distance. So go to object mode. So now I want to delete these faces, so I select all these faces. So same thing on this mesh. So you want to choose here also. So you want to choose here also. So press delete in keyboard. So go to edge mode, so double click on this edge, shift double click on this edge, so and shift double click on this edge, so and go to edit mesh and choose extrude, so press W and extrude in Y, so that means you got that shape, basic shape. So go to object mode, so you want to see here we got this rounded shape here, so we want to make some roundness here. So go to choose polycylinder, so and keep the polycylinder divisions to 8 and press enter. So you want to reduce the radius, so I didn't want the bottom face, go to face mode, I delete the bottom face, so and go to object mode. See I want to move the pivot to center, so go to modify, so in object mode go to modify and choose center pivot, so press V in keyboard, so that means you will snap it to center of the object. So I want to scale little bit, press R in keyboard, so and scale it over. So see here, so see here I want to cut like this, so go to select this mesh and go to edit mesh and choose interactive split tool. If you are using latest version, choose multi-cut tool, so click here, so don't go closer, click 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 and right click to stop, so click and drag to this edge and click and drag to this edge, so that means only it will merge. So select this faces in that mesh, so I will delete this one, so and go to edit mesh and choose merge. So before that you want to combine both objects, so select this mesh, shift select this mesh and go to mesh and choose combine, so go to edit mesh and choose merge vertex tool, so click here and drag here, so click and drag, so don't go this way, this wrong, so click here and drag to that cylinder. Sorry, so like this. So you want to select all these faces, so go to edit mesh and choose extrude, press R in keyboard and scale this way, so go to edit mesh and choose extrude, press W in keyboard, so move upwards and press R to scale like this, so that means you got exact face. So see here we want to maintain the quad, so I select this edge, shift select this edge and this edge and go to edit mesh and choose delete edge by vertex, so that means you got a 4-side face. So you want to insert edge loop for smoothness, so go to edit mesh and choose insert edge loop, so you want to close to here, so and here and here, so here also you want to maintain the loop, so click and drag to upwards, so click and drag to this side, that means this edge will be sharp when you smooth. So same thing you want to do here, so click and drag, so you want to do same thing here also, click and drag and click and drag. So go to object mode, so press 3 in keyboard, so that means you got the exact shape. So go to shading and disable the wireframe on shader, so now you got the exact shape. But see here the top part is little bit bulge, so you want to bulge the top part, so it's very easy. So go to one mode, so select the center vertex, so and go to move tool settings, so and choose so go bottom area. So see here we have soft selection. So in move tool settings, so tick the soft selection. So that means you will able to smooth the top mesh. So hold B in keyboard, so and click middle mouse. So that means you will click and drag, means you will reduce the fall of the soft selection. So I will reduce like this fully. So and move the top axis. So that means you got that bulginess. See, so I will move little bit. So that means you got that bulginess in center part. So disable the soft selection and go to the and close that mesh. So go to object mode, so and press 3 in keyboard. So that means you got exact model of that powder cap. So you want to check the edge flow is right or not. So double click on this edge, shift double click on this edge, so shift double click on this edge. So that means our model is perfectly made as shown in the reference image. We maintain 1, 2 and 3 edge loops and 1 mesh flows, sorry, 2 holes here. Okay, so that's it. That's the end of part 5. So in next part we will make this pipe cap. So in this we want to maintain 1, 2 and 3, 4 edge loops. We will see on part 6. So thank you for watching, guys. I will see you later on next part. Please subscribe. So I will see you in part 6. So if you have any doubts about modeling, please contact me on email. So the link in the description box. If you have any doubts in modeling, please send your reference image to my email. So I will make tutorial for you. So we will see on part 6.